Angelina, you the cool in my temperature.
Hey aunties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video. So first things first, I know my voice sounds out of it totally, but I'm good, all is well. Had too much happening, but I'm okay. And second thing, we are in my bathroom today. I'm gonna shoot this video in my bathroom because this process is gonna get a little messy, a little muddy, so better to shoot it in my bathroom. And if you're new to my channel, I am Paula, and if you are new, then you should definitely click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell so that every time I drop a video you'll get notified. Today's video is gonna be about me washing my hair, cleansing my hair, and using bentonite clay to do that, because that's the best natural way of cleansing your hair thoroughly, giving it a detox, giving it a boost, you know, giving it all the nutrients that it needs. Because I had a long protective style, and this is what I usually do every single time I have braids in or whatever. I want to cleanse my hair as best as possible. So that's what today's video is going to be about. Let me not talk for too long because my voice is irritating me. Chances are it's going to irritate you too. So let's get into this video. For my mix, I used bentonite clay, activated charcoal, I used rosemary and peppermint as my essential oils, and for my carrier oils, I used Jamaican black castor oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. Although the last two are not 100%, it's still just as effective. It's still fine, okay? And then I used aloe vera juice. And for each ingredient, I mentioned how much you should put in and what each item comprises of and its benefits. So yeah, and then please note that when you're mixing up your ingredients, you shouldn't use a metal spoon, because bentonite clay is a volcanic ash, and I'm not gonna be a physicist up in here, but if you use a metal spoon, it's gonna lose the charge that is already naturally within the bentonite clay, so you have to use a plastic or a wooden spoon.
You know, I haven't touched my trust. You know.
The following are the benefits of bentonite clay. First of all, you can use this as a natural shampoo. So I haven't done anything to my hair besides detangle it, and I'm using this as the first thing to cleanse my hair, and it really does remove all the product buildup, all the gunk and funk that I had from having such a long protective style. And then it defines and elongates curls. Like, this is 100% true. My curls were very defined, especially when I was washing it out, and they were elongated. I actually came to realize that my hair has grown quite a lot. It does soften and moisturize your hair, and this is because it also doesn't strip your hair of its natural oils. It's good for detangling, and it's recommended for low porosity hair. If you note that I haven't put in apple cider vinegar into this mixture, because apple cider vinegar closes the cuticle of the hair, and if you have low porosity hair, you don't want that. And if you don't know what porosity is, you should click here. I have a video on porosity. After 45 minutes of having this mix in my hair, I rinsed it out with warm water, right? And then I did follow it up with a co-wash so that I can just get a little bit of the specks and, you know, this is dirt after all, out of my scalp. It's optional to use a deep conditioner if you'd like, but I didn't see the need to. My curls were so elongated and defined. Like, it's so obvious in this montage that I'm giving you, aunties. So that's it from me, aunties. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, especially because I'm sick and I'm still gonna put up this video. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video, and let me know in the description box if you have tried this in your hair before. All right, ciao.
If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter.